How to get Amazon Prime student offer. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to it, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. So now for that you don't have to open the Amazon app, you have to open Chrome and you have to search Amazon Prime student free trial. Once you search that, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on join Prime student and click on that. Once you click on that, this page will open. Here it says that you'll receive a 6-month trial that includes free 2-day shipping. For 6 months you'll get the free Amazon Prime account, plus once you join you'll get almost a discount on it. And here to sign up you have to go on Prime student, click on this link. Once you click on that, you have to verify your age through your student ID or through some form of verifications that they are asking through your documentation or your current college ID or whatever it is. They'll be asking you that, and once you submit it, the process will go ahead. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.